you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I am super excited. It has been a hot minute since me and Get This Glowing has collabed, and she came up with this really cute idea to call it Team Up Tuesdays. I look forward to our collabs every single week. She had a great idea to do a fun New Year's Eve look using the ColourPop Smoke Show palette. The only thing is, I don't really do much for New Year's Eve. Usually we spend Christmas with my family, and then I've done New Year's with Griffin's side of the family. It's always tricky because Catherine's birthday is on New Year's. I've always felt bad that we've only spent a couple of birthdays with her on her actual birthday. I prefer just to sit at home and do nothing on New Year's. Just hang out, watch some movies, drink in peace. The drivers around here are already terrible as it is, so to throw alcohol into the picture, it would just be a mess. Before I jump into this look, I also received a package from Get This Glowing. I don't know if she wants me to box it on camera or not, but I'm going to. Thank you so much, Jeannie, for sending this over. That was super sweet. This is what the inside looks like. There's a card. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry on camera. Frosty the Snowman, that is my absolute favorite. She got me the Ole Henriksen kit because I have been dying to try some of these products, and it has my eye cream in it. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Jeannie. It comes with the Banana Bright Face Primer, which I am dying to try. I have heard so many amazing things. The Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I have not tried that yet. The Banana Sea Eye Cream, my holy grail. I have gone through a full size. I just went through a tiny jar, and now I have another jar. Oh my gosh, she is my Lord and Savior right now because I am dying to find an eye cream that I can replace, but nothing has exceeded my expectations from this eye cream. And then the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum, which I have not tried that, and it's a full size, and it literally says OMG. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and please go check out Jeannie at Get This Glowing. Her channel will be linked in the cards and the description. She's an amazing friend. She has great content, and this gift was so unexpected. I have already gone ahead and put on my base makeup. I have not put on blush, bronzer, or highlighter yet, but I'm having the worst breakout of 2019 right now. You can kind of see this area is a little troublesome. The cystic pimple needs to go away. And on this side, my redness was really bad, and the texture is out of this world. I don't know what it is right now, but it is what it is, and my eyebrows are already filled in as well. I'm not as happy with them. I used the brow bar that we got in our boxy base box. I haven't drawn in and filled in my brows in a hot minute. I have been loving the ColourPop tinted brow gel, so essentially you just swipe through and call it a day. I primed with the Rodile Glow Drops. I found that very fitting because they're glow drops and we are getting this glowing. And then I took the Laura Mercier Flawless Radiance Perfecting Foundation. I am not the biggest fan of this foundation. I am trying to love it. It's just not doing it for me. I feel like I have to use so much product to get it to somewhat of satisfaction of coverage. It shade matches me so nice. That's what I love about it. I got really excited seeing Laura Mercier in Ulta, so that's why I picked it up. I had points to redeem, and now I'm a little sad. But they have some primers, and I kind of want to try the hydrating primer. I will link my other video that I've created a look using this palette. It was my Bijou Beauty Box for November, and then I primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Potion Primer. Most of my Luxie brushes are in the queue to get washed, but this BH Cosmetics from the Marble line is really good. I think I want to take Slated. Slab this on. Also, the wind is super vicious today, so if you hear it or if my house starts rattling, it's the wind. It's also very warm today. I don't know what's going on. I thought it was winter. Mother Nature said no. I go very light-handed into this palette. This is like my third time dipping in because of how bold this palette is, and I just feel that I could screw up my look really fast. Like, this is super bold right now, and I'm just getting things started. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. Let me know in the comments below what you got. I got a new lens for my camera. It's not the lens that's currently on right now. It's my current lens that I have been using since I got this camera. I am still trying to figure out the proper setup. Griffin got me a Carolina Hurricanes jersey. I feel a little conflicted because I already have a Penguins jersey, but he did get it customized with my favorite player, Brack again. Had me on Snapchat. I definitely spam a lot of snaps of the Hurricanes when there's a game on, or if I go to their morning skate, which I've only been able to since it's been on the weekends and being on Christmas vacation right now. But sometimes they have practices during lunchtime, so I guess I found a new way how I'm gonna spend my lunch at work. Hockey has been like my new kryptonite instead of shopping. I've always known that I've been addicted to shopping. It's just realizing how bad things were getting. It's something I'm gonna work on definitely in 2020. And now that hockey is something that I enjoy with Griffin, you know, I'd rather use money towards that instead of buying every single release that's coming out left and right. That is a takeaway of 2019 that I'm implementing into 2020. FYI, this is my second attempt doing a look. The first one did not turn out good at all, but I still went in with slated first here on the crease. For my first look, I did Let's Do It to deepen it up, and it kind of went downhill from there. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take Smokin' and I'm gonna pat it. Or are those two similar? Maybe let's take Night Dream instead. Night Dream might need to be blended. I'm like, not another look we're going to soil, are we? I wish the specks of purple in this shade were popping out a little bit more. You slated to buff that a little bit. I don't want to take Starstruck. Alright, I'm already liking this look a little bit more than the last one, so I think that is good progress. I redid my foundation. I actually put a different one on. I wasn't liking that Laura Mercier one at all. This is the Matte Ambition foundation. It's a little bit peachier for my liking. Not sure if I'm going to smoke it out because that is where I completely did not like the look anymore. I'm going to take my House Laboratories liquid eyeliner for the lid and then the Urban Decay 24/7 pencil for the waterline. This palette has a lot of fallout, so I definitely recommend not doing what I did and went on ahead and did base makeup first. I'm gonna take these Venus Cosmetic lashes. Feel like a dramatic look like this calls for false lashes. These are super dramatic lashes, like them resting right here, they're touching my eyebrow. And then I'm gonna take some Big Ego mascara to brush up against my natural lashes so that they blend in with the falsies. And then I'm gonna take the Tarte Pro Glow palette to bronze, blush, and highlight. I almost didn't want to put on blush because I feel like it's gonna emphasize the breakout right here. And then to top it off, I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Date Night. I almost forgot setting spray. Who am I? I actually forget setting spray a lot in my videos after I do a look. But this is the final look. I'm a lot happier with how this look came out than the first attempt. The first one was just not a cute look. And I think part of it was I smoked out the lower lash line. It kind of ruined the look in a sense, where this, it's a very dramatic look as it is. So it doesn't really call for a very smoky lower lash. I like the lashes that I chose for this look as well. I tried really dramatic looks in the first look and then I went to more subtle ones. I think these are good in the middle. I did not save any footage or take a photo of the first look. I deleted it right away because I just wasn't happy with it. Washed everything off and now I am here with this look. So I'm hoping the dramatic smoky eye is some inspiration if you're looking for a look to do for New Year's Eve. And if you're using other colors, definitely let me know in the comments below what you plan on doing. Definitely let me know what products you use. And also let me know what you plan on doing on New Year's Eve. We are going to a Canes hockey game. Don't forget to check out Get This Glowing. And thank you again, Jeannie, for my gift. I cannot wait to open and try out these products. And I wish you guys a very happy new year. Here's to 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it fun. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.